we are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting and related words in English. This is the past tense of the verb wreak. But how do you go about pronouncing it? The British and American English pronunciations are similar in this instance as wreaked. Note that this is a T sound at the end, not a D sound. Do not say wreaked, but rather wreaked. Not wreaked, but rather wreaked. T sound. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Here are more videos on how to pronounce words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.